welcome back to another video. On today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Victoria's Secret Advent Calendar, and I'm so excited we get to do this together. So let's go ahead and do an up close. This thing is so heavy. Like, it's huge. It has a little like bow here. Do you guys see that? This is Victoria's Secret. It has a little message and it says there's a little bombshell in everybody. Okay, so when you open it, look at the detail. I wonder if there's anything behind there, but we have everything here. Number one is the very obvious Victoria's Secret Bombshell. I love this scent. It's so yummy. I mean, you guys, honestly, this packaging is just a 10 out of 10. I love it. We're gonna go ahead and do the obvious, which is number one. Okay, so the Victoria's Secret Bombshell perfume. If you haven't had the pleasure of smelling this, guys, it is so delicious. The way I would describe this scent would be the OG Victoria's Secret angels, like Adriana Lima, Giselle, like Miranda Curd. I feel like this is very much like what they would smell like during that whole time era. So I love this, and I'm actually gonna put it back in here because I just feel like it looks cuter for the video. Now we're gonna open number two. Let's slide this open, and it looks like this is a Starstruck Color Shine lip gloss. Comes out like that. Should I put some on my lips? I really like this, and I do feel starstruck having it on. Okay, moving on to box number three. Is down here. Okay, I love how they pull out. It's really convenient. And this is a Victoria's Secret Bombshell bath bar. 10 out of 10 for packaging. Very, very cute. This is what the soap looks like right out of the packaging. It says Bombshell on it. It smells just like the Bombshell perfume. Love that. Let's go to number four. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love tiny little like perfume bottles like this. I think they're so cute. This is a Victoria's Secret Bombshell Glamour perfume. I've actually never smelled this fragrance. This is what the mini bottle looks like. Isn't it adorable? Now the real test. Let's smell it. This one smells really good. It smells a little bit more like vanilla, but like it's a little bit more of a sophisticated version of the original Bombshell. Off to number five. Okay. Yay! We got another little perfume. I really do like these a lot. This one is Bombshell Seduction. The packaging is pretty identical to this one here, but you could just tell like there's a color difference. But just in case you missed it, just like a little up close for you. Where's the sprayer? I'm gonna spray this one this way. I do feel like it kind of gives less of a playful vibe like the Bombshell does. Like the Bombshell is like playful and sexy, and then the Glamour one gives like playful, sexy for like winter vibes. It just reminds me of like the scent of a holiday with sexiness like wrapped in one. This one, the Seduction, reminds me of just like an older, wealthy lady that still wants to be sexy, not so much playful. So won't be my first choice, but I will probably wear it. Okay, number six, Bombshell Seduction Candle. Makes me want to like have a really sexy Saturday night indoors. Like take a bubble bath, do some self-care, have a glass of wine. Like that's the vibes that this is giving to me. And sometimes we need that. So I'm excited to step into the new year with my new Seduction Candle. Now number seven. Okay, we have another lip product. This is the Brilliant Color Shine Lip Gloss. Quick up close for you guys. So the other one that we swatched was clear. This one has like a little peachy tone. Okay, very similar. This one has just a little bit more of a peachy tone. And we're just gonna like add this. These glosses are so pretty. And for the last couple of years, I've really been a matte lip type of girl, but I've recently been getting more into gloss because I think it actually just makes you look like so healthy. For reference, guys, Shade Brilliant and Shade Starstruck. Love both. Number 8. Another mini perfume. So this one is the Victoria's Secret Bombshell, which is the original scent, which is the mini version of the one that you guys see here, the one that I first sprayed. This is going to come in handy because this is great to like throw in your purse if you don't want to take up a lot of space, but you want to have something to kind of like freshen up throughout the night. So thumbs up for the minis. Number 9. This looks like a little cute Bombshell fragrance keychain. Can you see it? Like how pretty, and it says Victoria's Secret on the back. It's so stinking cute. I love it. Mine is like this little bow thing. I'm not personally a fan of that. That's my own thing, but the colors here and here and the gold on the back. If you guys know me, you know I love gold, so I love this. We're almost finished already, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, number 10. It is a candle. It's a red candle, so my guess it's like the seduction one. We'll see. Actually, it's not. It is the Victoria's Secret Bombshell Intense. Let's smell it. Okay, definitely intense. It's like a mix of all 3 of the other fragrances kind of put in one. Like you're getting a little bit of everything. That's how I would describe it. So I do agree. Intense is definitely the right wording for this candle or scent in general. So, and here is a quick up close. Number 11, we have another candle. This is the Bombshell, the original Bombshell scent. Pink is my favorite color ever. And this shade of pink is just chef's kiss. I already know this smells delicious, but this is an up close and just look at how beautiful it is. Now the candle smells really similar to the scent with a little bit more of like a soapy vibe to it. Like if the scent was to be in a body soap, that's what the candle smells like, which is still really good and delicious and clean. Let's see what's in box number 12. So we got the Intense Bombshell miniature version, and this one is in a very sexy red bottle. That color red is so pretty. It's like a very cherry red. I love that. Let's see if the actual fragrance smells the same as the candle. Okay, yeah. This one smells almost identical to the candle, except for the candle is just a little bit, just like a tiny hair more intense than the actual like spray, which I don't mind. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this Victoria's Secret Bombshell unboxing. I do think this is something I will be purchasing next year because not only is the packaging really stunning, I do love everything that was included in this calendar. And I think that's actually pretty rare for me for advent calendars, so 2 big thumbs up. Now, if there's anything else that you guys would love to see me unbox, comment that down below. I would love to do that for you. Until next time.